guys really haven't seen my hair since the scalp. Like, I really want to know, do you think my hair grew back faster, slower, or... I really don't want to show you guys what I'm looking like, because as a man getting older, I just feel as though your boy is gone. These corners ain't what it used to be. Without further ado, this is what my hair is looking like, man. This is what my hair is looking like. All right, let me give you a 360. I ain't got a cut. I ain't did a self cut in so long. I ain't did a self cut in, I want to say, all year. This has been a. We gonna get back into it though, man. I'm about to do a self cut. No waves at all. All right, no waves at all. But my hair, I feel like it grew in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's been about a month and a week. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinning. Right here, I'm going. Right here, I'm going. But after I get this cut, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna look like that. But I'm really unk out here, man. Let's get into it, man. Let me cut my hair.
Where you get your HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, so what you want to do before you start cutting is brush the edges down. That way everything is laid and nice and neat. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go in with my trimmers and set my bald line in. Now using my clippers, I'm going to open the lever and go up about a full inch. Really pay attention to how I'm using my clipper because I'm scooping out as I go. Same thing with the one guard. I'm going up with the lever open, going up about a full inch. Next step, putting on the two guard with the lever open. I'm just clearing out the bulk, not necessarily setting in a guideline. So I like to work my way back down by softening everything up. So with my one guard, with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now, keep in mind, this is not gonna take it out. This is just softening it up so it can come behind it with the next step. Now putting on the zero guard with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Use your corners. Now in some cases, that zero guard closed just can't take out that middle line. So what I like to do is open the lever and just detail those bulk areas. Now it's time to attack that bottom line. Using your corners with the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. So next is just about detailing your work, all right? Detailing the blend, getting in those areas where you see bulk. You see me turn my clipper sideways to get in those bulk areas and, you know, just kind of separate those hairs a little bit. Also, sometimes you're gonna have to turn off the light to see things in a different light, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I will be turning off my light right here. You see, it just gives it a different, you know, appearance. So make sure if you're cutting your hair, change the light setting as well. Alright, you guys, that's the cut. It's over. It's done. I'm looking fresh. I'm looking fresh now. Alright, but it wouldn't be complete if I didn't hit myself with this aftershave, man. Let's do it. Ooh! 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 It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm unk now though, man. That's the thing now. I'm gonna keep it real, man. I'm unk now, man. See the light spot. They can't say I ain't fresh still though, man. That's what they can't take from me. Peace.